Hi friends, welcome to diploma classes. Model number 3, integration by partial fractions. Okay, in previous video we saw a number of questions regarding to the model number 3. In that we are having two factors, only two factors, and we solve the question. In this video there is the one question frequently asked in the examination, diploma mechanical, civil, or any branch. This is the main question for the diploma. Okay, how to solve this question we will see now. Solution. Given that or they are given integral 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. Okay, this is the form of rational fraction. I already said how to convert into the partial fractions. If you are not able to convert into the partial fraction, this problem will not solve. మనం ఎలా రేషనల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ నుంచి పార్షియల్ ఫ్రాక్షన్గా కన్వర్ట్ చేయడం రాకపోతే మనం ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయలేం. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ వితౌట్ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫార్మ్, వితౌట్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ and dx. Okay, we will find out a, b, c. What is c? Only we know a and b. How to find out a and b? Here see, x into x plus 1 into x plus 2. There are three factors here. In previous video we are only solving two factors. Now we are having three factors. Integration form, how to solve we will see now. Okay, 1 by x into x plus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, this is a rational fraction. How to convert the partial fraction? This is numerator and denominator have three factors. Then this is a, this is b, this is c. A by x plus b by x plus 1 plus c by x plus 2. Now rationalize 1 by x plus 1 into x plus 2. What is the, now this is LCM. What is the LCM of this? This one you know, we can write x plus 1 into x plus 2. Okay, now numerator. How we have to write the numerator, that is important. Okay, a by x by, what is the denominator here? x plus 1 into x plus 2. X cancel, we can write a into x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus b. Now here in the b denominator x plus 1, x plus 1 cancel. Then what are the remaining thing? X into x plus 2. We have to multiply to the numerator. Okay, then x plus 2, then c plus c into x plus 1. How to get this one? I clearly explained. ఓకే, ఎలా వచ్చిందో చెప్పాను కదా క్లియర్గా. అలా మనం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ తెచ్చుకోవాలి. దెన్ డినామినేటర్ క్యాన్సల్. దిస్ టూ ఆర్ సేమ్. ఓకే, 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 1 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ బి ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ 2 plus c x plus 1. Now we have to write another equation. This is the one equation from this derived from this. Okay, now another equation, A plus B into A minus B. Not a form. We should not apply that one. And we have to apply. This is the linear factor. This is the linear factor. We have to multiply the two factors. Then x into x, x square. Then x into 2x. We have to write plus. How? Why we are writing plus here? Because here also plus, here also plus. Then 2x plus. Okay. This 2 over. Now 1 into x, x plus 1 into 2, 2 over. We have to multiply to get this form. B, x into x, x square plus 2x. These are the simple things we can learn in the first class or fifth class. Okay. 1 is equal to a x square plus 2x plus x, 3x plus 2 plus b x square plus 2x plus c x square plus x. Okay, this is over. This is equation number 1 thing. Now we have to get a, b, c. Here a, b, c. And we have to integrate. Okay, this is the formula we have to apply. Now what is it? We have to find out a, b, c. From the equation, put x is equal to 0. x ప్లస్ లో మనం 0 పెడితే మనకి ఏదో ఒకటి రావాలి. ఏ అయినా రావాలి, బి అయినా రావాలి, సి అయినా రావాలి. ఓకే, 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ 0 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో 0 పెట్టాను. 0 హోల్ స్క్వేర్ 3 0 ప్లస్ 2 ప్లస్ బి 0 స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్లో 0 పెట్టాలి. ప్లస్ సి 0 whole square plus 0. Then this is 0. Then this is 0. 1 is equal to a. We having 2. Then therefore a is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, a we get. And put x is equal to minus 1 to the equation number 1. Here also equation number 1. Then 1 is equal to a minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 plus 2 b x square minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 in the place of x 1 plus c minus 1 whole square plus minus 1. This is 0. 1 is equal to a minus 1 whole square, minus into minus plus. Then this is 1 plus my 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus b minus 1 whole square 1 plus minus 2 minus 2. This is 0. Okay, 0 into c 0. Constant. C means constant. 1 is equal to a, here 1 minus 3 plus 2 plus b 1 minus 2. 1 is equal to a, here see minus 2 plus 2 b minus 1. This is 0. A is 0. Then 1 is equal to b into minus 1. This is 1. Okay. Therefore, b is equal to 1 by minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 2 and b is equal to minus 1. Another one. put x is equal to -1 we kept, 0 we kept, -2, then 1 is equal to a -2 whole square. Here where is the equation? This is the equation. Okay, x square, x ప్లేస్ లో మనం -2 పెట్టాలి. -2 whole square plus 3 -2 plus 2. ఓకే, ప్లస్ b, x ప్లస్ లో -2 whole square plus 2 -2. c -2 whole square plus 2. okay, 1 is equal to a -2 whole square 4 -2 into -2 plus 2 to the 4. okay, plus my 3 into 6, 3 to the 6, no, 3 into 2 6, a6 -6. okay, -6 plus 2 plus b 4 plus -4 plus c 4 plus 2, 4 plus 2. 1 is equal to, here see, -6 plus 2 -4 plus b 4 -4 plus c 4 plus 2. 1 is equal to, a is 0, b is 0 and c is remaining. c is equal to 6, c is equal to 1 by 6. This is the, then c is what? 1 by 6. We find out a and b and c. okay, note down. Note down in your book. I will give 5 minutes time. I think all of you understood. అందరికి అర్థమైందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. Now, last step. What is the last step? We find out a, we find out b, and we also find out c. Now we go for the last step. Integral 1 by x, x plus 1, x plus 2 dx is equal to integral a by x dx plus integral b by x plus 1 dx integral c by x plus 2 dx. okay, we find out a, b, c. substitute here. a 1 by 2 by x dx plus integral b -1, okay, -1 x plus 1 dx plus c, what is c? 1 by 6 x plus 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 integral 1 by x dx plus or minus integral 1 by x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 6 integral 1 by x plus 2 dx. Therefore, integration for 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. Another one, 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log ax plus b plus c. This is the formulas according to this one. Then of integral 1 by x dx means log x. Okay, now this is the coefficient 1 by 1 log x plus 1 plus 1 by 6. This coefficient 1 by 1 log x plus 2. We have to compare this formula to this. Okay, then of log x minus log x plus 1 plus 1 by 6 log x plus 2 over. End of the problem. Thank you for watching this video, and subscribe my channel and share to your friends, relatives and family members. Note down. I will give 5 minutes to note down.